Welcome to Beast Stride DIY. I'm at the Home Depot to show you their February deals and savings going on now. So to start off, this is their 5-tier configurable plastic storage shelf. Now it's $89, so just a $10 savings on this, but not still too bad. You can configure it in all these different methods, so you can actually make 2 different storage shelves out of it if you want. That's pretty awesome. So I can think of different uses for this. Now for $11 and $8, $11.98, it was $13.78. This is this 3-pack of disinfecting wipes, or this huge thing of bleach for $8.48. Just a $1 savings, but it's something there. Now next up for $5.88, this is a $15 value for this folding step stool. Now this adds about, it seems like it adds a foot or so, and this is really all you need sometimes if you have higher shelves or higher cabinets that you just need to grab something out of. We have one of these, and it's really nice. Now, from Home Decorators, this is an $80. It was $159 on this 54-inch fan. And look at all these fans. These are all yellow tagged. This is a 44-inch one, and this is the Hunter brand. So if you're in the, if you need some fans, I would just check this out because they are selling them. Some of these are even half off. Even more. $14. This is 19, or it was 19 on this 600 lumen compact inspection light from Husky. This has 5 different modes. It has special function. It's water resistant and it's USB-C rechargeable. So I'll go ahead and test this out for you. I think you just press the top button here, and I'm not even sure if that's the brightest light, but that's pretty nice. Now for some storage solutions, this is $12. It was $14.98, I believe. This is for wrapping paper. It's a really nice idea. You can kind of put this in a closet behind some things and store it. It comes with a top that's down in there as well. Now for $12, I think this is the HDX 27-gallon storage bin. I think they just had a few of these left, but that's not a bad deal for that size. Now this is that griddle again, or sorry, kettle. This is a 22-inch kettle for $179. It was $3.99. Now this is from Loco. I don't know if they're discontinuing this brand, but everything I see from Loco in here is almost half off. I know some of you were asking. I did not see really any sales on lawnmowers yet, but I'll let you know when I do. So this is a $5 savings on this Scrub Daddy brush for your grill. So this is saying you're supposed to soak in water before, or submerge head in water before use. I guess the head gets harder or softer, I don't know. But it's bristle free, so there's no metal bristles that you'll get in your mouth when you're eating your burgers. But this, again, is from a good brand, Scrub Daddy. Now, this is a new tool. It's from Ryobi. It's their compact chemical sprayer kit. This has a 2-year warranty, and it says it's ideal for small plants and items around the house. It's $49. Not sure what it'll go down to, but this is a new item, so they're just testing it out, it looks like. But interesting. So for $19, it's a $25 value on their stud sensor from Zircon. Comes with a bonus level. Comes with all these features too. It does have the side stud detection, metal detection, and the wire detection on this one. Now these are all those different Loco branded items for the grill I wanted to tell you about. So this is the Griddle breakfast kit. This is $25. It was $49. And it comes with all these items here, the spatula, locking tongs, bacon press, and then the squirt bottles there. Now this is a Loco tabletop griddle carrying bag. This is $13. That's more than half off. It was $49. And then these are some items down here for burgers, I believe. Yeah, griddle burger kit. It's $20. That was $49 as well. You got the press, the little water spray bottles here to get the heat going and the steam going. And then down below it you have for $15. This is a little pan or cover you put over the griddle. And then right below it here are some heavy-duty scrapers for $10. It was $19, so almost half off there. And then a griddle cleaning kit down here. It's got the scrub brushes and everything you need for $15. It was $29. So for $4.88, these were big like 5-6 years ago. These are the LED color lights. It's at about 9.8 feet of the RGB color lights. You can, of course, change the colors. Now $7.50. This was $14 on these outdoor solar-powered spotlights. These are nice because you don't need to hardwire these. You can just kind of stick them up wherever you need to, your back door, front door, garage, and they're going to be motion sensors as well, and they turn on automatically when they sense someone coming. Now, these are the Beyond Bright Nova. These are $20 off at $29. Now, with these, you just screw in, and they make it up to 800% brighter. These are 7,000 lumens. So people do this a lot in like unfinished basements or like their man cave or garage. You just screw them in, they give you a ton of light. This is a $39 value, but it's only $24.97, I think. This is a job site speaker. It says it has up to 10 hours of battery life. And if you just want something simple, you don't want to go out for the Milwaukee one, you can just pick that up. Now for $299, it was $319, is this 232-piece gear wrench set. Now these are some new items. I have seen them before, but they're fairly new still. It's their Tough System tabletop kit, or I'm sorry, their worktop kit for $79. Now for $79, you're getting that top piece. For $189, you're getting the dolly. The deep drawer unit is $299 and $329 if you want that big middle section. Now for $79, this is $20 off on this 4-gallon wet dry vac from Rigid. And remember, with Rigid, you're getting the lifetime warranty. This comes with everything you need, the different attachments, the hoses, and then the filter as well here. So next up from Rigid, these are the 3-piece, kind of like I call them the Tough System kits, but they're not really that. They're just the toolbox sets, $29, $39, and $79 for the small, medium, and large pieces. Now, if you buy them all together, you're going to be saving $40, kind of just doing the math here. But I really like the look of these. They're very rugged, and they have in the back, of course, that handle and the wheels on the bottom one where you can carry them around wherever you need to go. Now, Dewalt has their technical Tough System ones here, I think it's the Tough System 2.0. And when you buy all 3 of these, $49, it was $64 for the small, $59, $84 for the medium, and $89, I think it was $119. You're going to be saving $70 on all those. Now, these are the 3-piece tool bags, so you're going to get 3 of these for this price. And I think it's $29, yeah. Was $60. It's a $65 value with about 5 stars. Now, this is pretty huge. I've seen this. This is actually one of their lower prices for this, but it's $99. It was $129. When it first came out, it was $130 or $149. This is a 63-gallon tough chest. Looks like something you'd see in like military cargo planes or something. Now, this is $24 for their 95-piece drill impact drive set from Ryobi. It was $29. And this is what this looks like. These were pretty well stocked. It says it's over $100 value. Comes with the spade pieces, of course, for wood, metal, plastic, and masonry. And they're saying these bits last 3 times longer. Now for $79, it was $99, is this 1/2-inch drill driver kit and set. This comes with everything you need. It comes with the battery and charger. I think it comes with the ratcheting chuck as well. For $597, was $997, is this 2-inch diamond grid impact set. This is a tiny little piece. And this one is saying it's got 20 times increased life. I don't know how you could say that. $49, you're getting the 3/8 of an inch drill driver set. And of course, this is coming with the battery and charger. Now, with more Ryobi deals here, you're getting the the shank twist spint set, impact rated driving set, the stud detector, and then the $149 4-piece kit, and then $159 brushless brad nailer. Now, you buy the starter kit for $179. You're going to get one of these free tools. These are the M18 Milwaukee tools. Got the reciprocating saw, the angle grinder, sawzall. You've got the multi-tool and the random orbital sander, as well as the 6.5-inch circular saw. Now for $99, it was $119, I think, is this 2-gallon wet dry vac. I'm going to come back to that in a second. Now $149, this is a $10 savings on the Ryobi 4 tool kit. You're getting everything pictured in this kit. And then for $199 is that Link speed bench they had out front, but they've moved it since the last time we were here. $49, you're getting this angle grinder. That's a $10 savings. And now these are some more deals from Ryobi, some kit deals. This is a 2-tool kit where you get the bag charger and the 2 drill drivers, or the 2-amp battery kit. Now, when you buy one of those, you're going to get one of these free tools. I'm kind of panning here. You can pause it and rewind it if you need to look at these. Now for $299, this is from Milwaukee. This is their 5-tool kit. Looks like it comes with everything here: the multi-tool, reciprocating saw, drill driver, impact driver. And then the 2-tool kit is $169. It was $199. It's a $30 savings. $149 is their 2-pack of the 3-amp-hour 18-volt batteries. $79, it was $99 on their top-off power supply, and then their simultaneous rapid charger for $99. And guys, go ahead and like this video and leave a comment if you're finding value in this. It does help the algorithm. Now, this is $149. It said it was $159 earlier, but this is their Ryobi nailer. It is the tool only, so keep that in mind. Now, coming back to this $99 wet dry vac, this is a 2-gallon vac. I wanted to show you this. There were some people behind me doing some stuff, so I wanted to give them some room. This is one of their newer tools as well, or newer items. I have not seen this before, but I may just be late to the game. Now, for $29, you get this long-reach flexible micro hose set, and then for $9, you get these brush tools and crevice tools. It really makes me, it's kind of frustrating that they sell the different crevice tools separately. I would think they should be in the kit, you know, that just makes sense to me, but that's how they used to do it with different tools. Now for $19.97, you can pick any of these tools. These have kind of been around, but I still wanted to show you and what has actually been gone, or what has been cleared out so far. Now you've got the triangle for this, or the measuring triangle, the 3 blades here, and then you've got the 2-pack of the hex key set, which everyone's picked up, and then the ratcheting wrench as well. Now for $14.97, you've got the Impact Duty 25-bit driver set. I think it was $19.97. This is what this one looks like here. Now, unfortunately, the larger one, the Impact 90-piece driver bit set, for half off. I mean, you can imagine it was $49, it's now $25. But at least in our store, these have been cleared out. So you can check in your store if they do have some left. They may be trying to get rid of these. And these Impact Duty 15-piece titanium drill sets, these are on sale as well, but I did not see any of those either. Those would have been on the bottom. Now from Milwaukee as well, we have some different clothing items. These are about $5 and $10 off here. Now here you get a free M12 battery when you buy one of these M12 tools. So you've got the ratchet, the band file, or the grease gun. So you select one of those, you're going to get a free battery kit. Now these are some more deals in the actual aisle from Milwaukee. Your choice for $79. The right angle drill driver, soldering iron, floodlight, rotary tool, reciprocating saw, or the oscillating multi-tool. Now this is actually a new item from Husky. I think it's a 3-in-1 or a 3-gallon air compressor for $59. 83 decibels, 120 psi. So it's kind of used for just DIY stuff, likely more like inflation, some crown molding, some, you know, finish nailing, probably things like that. You could do some stapling as well, like it says, but that's going to be $59. And this one, I don't know if it's new or not. This is a 2-gallon pancake air compressor, or quiet air compressor for $159, 65 decibels, so that is quieter. And they're recommending it for brad nailing. 1 horsepower, so a little bit more powerful than the other one, and 80% quieter, it says. Now these are some toilets, down 83 from $99. They just kind of made these all colorful, making you think they'd be a little bit cheaper, but I mean, it's something off. 2-step step ladder for $42. This is the Gorilla Ladders brand. I actually have not heard of this brand, but I just don't research ladders a ton. 8.2 max as far as max reach, 250-foot load on this one. Now from Milwaukee, this is a good deal. It's $44. It was $74 on this wrench set. Now this is the Max Bite Milwaukee wrench set. I did not pick these up because these were alarmed, but these do have decreased fastener rounding and with a lifetime warranty. So I was trying to see what other deals they had on this little end cap. They did have your choice for $99. These 1/4-inch hex impact driver kits, 12-volt hammer drill driver kit, the M12 high output 5 amp hour battery, or the $79 3 amp hour 2 battery kit. Now this table looked really nice. I would really like to have this kind of even for videos or performing things on. This is nice. It's got the 2 drawers. It's $279. It was like $320 something, I believe. It's got the wheels, and this is from the Husky brand.